Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to edit captions of photo or video on WhatsApp. Friends, sometime after posting a photo or video, we need to change its caption. Like I have posted this photo just now, but later I want to edit its caption. So to do so, I need to select this photo. Now after selecting the photo, I need to press on these three dots. And here I need to press on edit. Now we need to add new caption. After entering the caption, press on this tick icon. Now friends, after editing, it will show your new caption. Like this, you can also edit the caption of video. So friends, like this you can very easily edit caption of a photo or video on WhatsApp. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.